Welcome, it is I, the amazing Contractionator. Watch as I magically take two words and turn them into a shorter word, a contraction. How do I do it? A magician never reveals their tricks.
Hold up, contractions aren't magic. Anyone can make them. In fact, I just did. Did you catch it? Let's break it down. Contractions. When two words combine to make a shorter word. Look close and you'll find that all you have to do is remove some letters and put an apostrophe there. That's better. Now, I don't know what you've heard, but a contraction is a shortened form of two words. You make one by putting two words together. Then what you do is take out one or two letters. But then it looks kind of sloppy, see? So we'll replace the letters with an apostrophe. Now, let's take does and not. Just put them together.
Wait, hold up, stop. I bet you don't know how to take the right letters out.
Well, that's an easy one, Mr. Magician. Settle down. Usually you take out letters from the second word, and the first word doesn't get disturbed. But how do you know what letters to remove? That depends on the contraction that you want to use. For a contraction with not, take out the O. Replace it with an apostrophe. There you go. We had does and not. Now we have doesn't. And he was not going to show you how to do that.
No, I wasn't.
But what about a different kind, like one with will? You know how to do it. Use your new skill. Put them together and replace the W-I with an apostrophe.
Stop it, you're ruining my surprise.
Now we've got Meryl, and there'll be a party when we hit the hook. Now come on, everybody. Contractions. When two words combine to make a shorter word. Look close and you'll find that all you have to do is remove some letters and put an apostrophe there. That's better. Contractions.